Hi guys. So today I will teach you how to create other screens, okay? So the first screen that we're going to make is a web screen. So first let's go to the screen tree and then click the plus icon and then type web screen. Click OK. Alright, so we're going to go to the web screen and then click open, okay? So now we're going to choose the web, okay? Just click the web icon, okay? Okay, so now we're here at the web screen. So what we need is to put an internet address here, a web address. For example, it's wattpad.com. So let me just paste it here. Okay. So what will happen is if you click the web screen, then it will be redirected to the website that is we put on the blank. Okay. So can you see here? It's wattpad.com. This is wattpad.com, and it redirected to the Wattpad website. Okay. So I will show you what happens and the actual app. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, so here is the web screen. If we click it, we will be redirected to the Wattpad website. Okay, so that is what it does. You can put any website here and it will be redirected to that website. Okay, so now I want to add another screen. Okay, so let's click this plus button. And now I want to have a map screen. Click OK. Okay, so we're gonna use this map screen. Okay, click this icon, then click open. Okay, so now we're here in the map screen. So let's just click this plus button to add a place. Okay, and we'll put the name of the place here. For example, it's Power Fitness, San Juan branch. Okay, and now we're gonna click this icon, and then we're gonna put the address there. So click enter, and as you can see, we're now redirected to the map. Okay, to the location on the map. So I want to zoom this, okay, so that we can see the streets. Okay, so once I'm happy with that, we're gonna click save. Okay, click this icon to save the settings. Alright, so now let's click this icon and then we will add a logo. So just click this. Okay, and this is the logo. Okay, and then we need to put the address here. Alright, so I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so let me just go back here. Okay, so click the map. Okay, so this is the map screen. Okay, you can see it, and then if you click this icon, you can see the logo and the address. So this is where we put the logo, and this is where we put the address. So it's like that. All right. So now I want to make another screen. So let's just click this screen tree, and then click the plus sign. So now I want to add an option list screen, and click OK. Alright, so now let's click the option list, then click this icon and click open. Alright, so now we're gonna choose the option list. Okay, just click this. Okay, so I'll show you what an option screen looks like. Okay, so this is what an option screen looks like. Okay, so now we're gonna add the options. Just click the plus sign to add an option, and I want to copy this, so let's just click put web, and then the action is go to screen and then go to web screen. Okay, then add another option. Okay, the next one is a map screen, so let's put the map, and then the action is go to screen, and then we're gonna choose the map screen. Okay, so now we're gonna click the plus sign, so the next option is the action screen, and the action is go to screen, action screen. Okay, now we're gonna add another option, back. Okay, so we can choose the back action, choose the back action here, and then add another option, exit, and then choose the exit action here. So now I'm going to show you what it does. Okay, so this is the option screen, and if you click the web, option, then we will be redirected to the Wattpad website. Okay. Okay, so if we click the map option, we will be redirected to the map screen. Okay. If we click the action screen, we'll be redirected to the action screen. And if we click the exit button or the back button, okay, if we click the exit button, then the app will close. Okay, so that is what the option screen is like. Okay, so now we're going to add another screen. Okay, just click the plus sign, and now we're going to make a calendar screen. So click OK. All right, and then let's go to the calendar, then click open. Okay, so now we're going to choose the calendar screen. So just click this. Okay, so this is what the calendar looks like. Okay, and then we can add the date here. Click the plus sign. Okay, so we'll choose the date December 19. And then let's choose a screen here. Okay, I will choose the main screen. So what this does is if we click the date, it will redirect to the screen that we chose. Okay, we can redirect it to the map screen or navigation, but I want it to redirect to the main screen. Okay, so I will show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the calendar. Okay, this is the calendar screen, and you see here there's a date, December 19. And if we click this, then we are redirected to the main screen. Okay, so that is just an example. So we can add other dates, okay, and choose other screens, so you can add as much dates you want. All right, so now let's make another screen. Okay, click OK, and then let's go to the new screen, click open. Alright, so I'll just give you a brief overview of the other screens. So we already did the option list, detail, action image. So the RSS, okay, just click it. You just have to put the RSS feed here, okay, and it will load the RSS feed. You just put the URL of the RSS feed, okay. So now let's add another screen, and let's go to the new screen 2. Okay, so here the shop. Okay, here's a shop screen, but I do not recommend the shop screen. And the creators of MobineCube also do not recommend the shop screen. It's because it's limited in functionality. So my suggestion here is instead of the shop screen, just use the web screen and put the URL of your Shopify store or your online store. And that will be better option. Okay? So here lastly we have the splash screen. Okay, so the splash screen, what it does is you just have to upload the logo here. Okay, just click that and then we can make it smaller. So what it does is just it will show a logo when the app opens, and then you can choose a delay here. You can use 0, 1, 2, whatever. Okay, and then after it the logo will show, it will redirect to a certain screen. So you just choose the screen you want to redirect here. So that is all that a splash screen does. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video.